Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to draw in a fish called pangas. Let's outline the drawing first in the beginning. Then we're going to do the details. Alright, so I'm using a dark pen which is black color. Putting the eye here. Alright, drawing the outline. So for the top portion, let's see some characteristics, which is the physical properties of this fish. Alright, now I'm going to draw the straight line here up to the end. Okay, so the straight line is goes up to here, and let's connect the bottom part. All right, and this bottom part, it has a different curve. All right, and this is coming up to this point. So this is the shape of pangas. Little additional drawings here. All right. You can see the details. All right, so after the drawings, we're going to put the colors. Okay, so the black color we're going to put from the top. And this is on the head portion. All right, okay. On the back you can see the dark deep color of the fish. All right, in some cases we're going to put the deep dark colors here. All right. So for the top portion, we're going to put some segments, little outlines you can see here like this. This is the different characteristics of this fish here. Also, you can see few outlines here like this. All right, so putting the corners little darker. All right, so you can see the drawing of the pangas here. This is the usual and popular fish. All right, so I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the new updates. You can also browse to the playlist, so select your drawings from different categories. Thank you so much. Have a good day.